Hey, 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 hey.
All right, hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today, as you saw quickly in the intro, we do have those microphone for karaoke in your Tesla. So here we go, the Music Travel Love kit, 2 microphone and 1 receiver for your Tesla from LvDonic. They sent me this kit actually for free, so I wanted to let you know, guys, I got those for free, but as usual, I'm going to do a very thorough and real and honest review of those and let you know if they are very good for karaoke in your Tesla. Why not? Well, if you love karaoke, maybe that's the good kit for you. Anyway, let's do the unboxing now, and right after I show you how to install those in the Tesla and how to use those. Let's go. And here we go, Music Travel Loves microphone. What's in the box? How they look like? It's right now. So, reveal time, ta-da! Of course, it's a set with 2 microphones, so there are 2 of those. They look very nice, white with the logo in the back and the black top here. We do have a USB-C charging port in the bottom, and here are the buttons for the various functionality along with the off-on, of course, the power button right here. You press once to turn it on, and you press and hold for a few seconds to turn the microphone off. Same applies to the other one, they are exactly the same. And of course, with the microphone, you need the receiver. All right, here it is. Receiver here that you have to plug in your USB-C port in your Tesla. Or if your Tesla is old like mine, 2018 Tesla will need this adapter, which is included USB-C to USB, normal USB adapter, and then you can plug that in your regular USB plug in your Tesla. But of course, it has to be the data plug, do not plug this in just the charging port. I know that Tesla has different ports for charging and for data, so be sure that's plug, the receiver, it's plugged in your data port. And that's pretty much all for the box. I'm surprised that they didn't include any user manual, but they are very straightforward, and if you watch this video, you will know everything about how to set those microphones up in your car. All right, all good to go? Let's go back in the car and set those up. All right, so here we go. As you saw in the unboxing, we do have the receiver and the 2 microphones, which we put here for now. Let's have a look of this receiver. As you can see, it's here, nice, and I have some length on the cable here, so you have some play to put that where you need. And of course, you need to install that here in your center console if you have a whole Tesla Model 3 like myself. So here will be where usually you have your Sentry mode USB key. Here that record all the video. You have to remove that. You eject it. Don't forget to eject your key. You eject it here, and then you remove your key, and you use this plug to plug this up. USB 2.0 normal USB right there. But of course, some other Model 3 or Model Y may have the USB key located here inside the glove box. So depending on your model, either will be in the center console or it will be here in the glove box. So depending on your model, look first where you have your USB plug, USB ports, and if you have USB-C available, usually they are around here on the side, you can also remove this adapter and then use the USB-C to plug directly in your USB-C port. So depending on your Tesla, you have 2 possibilities, USB-C or normal USB. Of course, quick note about those USB ports. As you saw, I use my dashcam recording ports for this receiver, but I can also use the second port. I was not able to use it before because it has some issue and it was only charging but not processing data. Now the issue is fixed, so I can use the second port for the receiver and I don't need to unplug my dashcam recording anymore. But here we go. I've ejected my micro SD card that I use for my Sentry mode video. Put it right here for now. And I'm going to plug that instead here using the same plug same port, I should say. Hop. And now we do have here a blinking light. So that means the receiver is looking for a microphone. If it's not pair, I will show you the pair procedure in a few minutes, but if it's pair already, all you have to do is take one of your microphone, power it up using the power button right here. So you power up the microphone, up, there we go. The blue light on the microphone turn on, and then the lights on the receiver up will blink a little bit, showing that it's paired correctly. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, test. Works right away. 1, 2, 1, 2, test, test, test. Microphone test. All right. And of course, to turn off your microphone, you just press the power key for a few seconds until the light turn off and the microphone is off. And now we go back to the receiver blinking, looking for a microphone.
Step 1. With the first microphone is off state, long press the volume plus and power keys simultaneously for over 8 seconds until the mic indicator light flashes. This mic entering pairing mode. Step 2. With the second microphone off, long press volume minus and power keys simultaneously for over 8 seconds until the mic indicator light flashes, the mic entering pairing mode. Step 3. Plug the receiver into your car's USB data port, always in glove box, and wait for the receiver indicator light blinks fast. Step 4. Press the sound tuning and power keys at the same time to exit the pairing mode, the second mic doing the same. Step 5. Once the microphone and receiver indicator lights stay on, pairing is complete and ready for normal use.
And here we go, everything is installed, ready to go. So of course, to turn on the microphone, we just press the power button. Once the power is on, of course, there is a microphone icon on the top of the screen here, which you can tap and you can have more setting if you need. You tune your microphone here, or you can also change the sound effect here. But you don't have to do that all the time because you do have a sound effect button right here. Oh, let's focus. So right now it says
Standard.
standard. So this is standard sound. Now we go
KTV effect.
KTV effect. So this is KTV effect. And then we have
Living room effect.
living room effect. This is a living room effect. And concert, I believe.
Concert effect.
Concert effect. That's the best. That's the best effect in my opinion. Concert effect. And to shut it off, you press for a few seconds the button, up the power button, and the microphone is off. But as you can see, everything works automatically and is recognized by the Tesla right there with the little icon. And if you want to increase the sound of the microphone, you have two solutions. Either you press the up and down button here, plus sound, minus sound, or you can just use your wheel here, press up or down to increase or decrease the sound of the microphone. And that includes the sound from the karaoke music. That's why it's more convenient to have the microphone separate here, the plus and minus on the microphone, because maybe you don't want the sound of the music too high and you want the microphone higher or the opposite. So you have the possibility using the button on the microphone while you are going to move up and down all the general sound of the music and the microphone all together. So be careful with that. And here it is, all ready to go now. All right, so now that we have the microphone set up and linked to the receiver, all you have to do is to find the app on the screen to download the music for the karaoke. Again, turn it on the microphone, up, we press the turn on button, up, and when you talk, here we go. We have, oh, it's nice sound system with the Tesla actually. Sounds very nice. But let's find out what kind of app we can download for the karaoke system. All right, it took me a while, but if you don't see karaoke on your Tesla, it's very easy. You have to go to your audio setting here on the main screen, and then you select source, and then you have to click on karaoke here. That was unchecked for me. So you select that, and then once it's done, now you can enjoy your karaoke microphone. Which means once you are back on your radio, your favorite radio station, you do have a karaoke button here that you press. And here we go, you can select browse the popular song chart, pop, country, etc. The 90s, the 80s, the 70s, or you can go by type Disney, party mix, duets, because we have two microphones, so we can do a duets and new track, etc. So there we go. You have all the karaoke song right here on the screen on your Tesla. And all you have to do now is to take your microphone, turn on the microphone, select something very cool. Here we go. And then go for it. And for that, I'm going to bring my friend Amanda. She loves karaoke, so she's going to do a nice demonstration of those karaoke microphone for you guys. Let's go.
Hey, 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 hey. Don't wanna need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up with something in Korean, and I can't read the words. Got a feeling that, oh yeah, you could be everything that I need. Tastes so sweet, every sip makes me want more, yeah. Looking like snacks, you gotta like that. Take a big bite, one another bite, yeah. Something, and money, money, money. Something, money, money, money. When you're in my arms, I hold you so tight, can't let go, no, not tonight. Something else that's in Korean I can't read, but I wish that it was Japanese, 'cause I need you to feed me, I'm empty, you feed me, so refreshing. My little soda pop, you're all I can think of, every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Cool me down, you're so hot. Pull me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. My little soda pop.
Here we go. LvDonic. So it just used this old USB plug where we have the Century micro SD card. Right. Let's redo it. So if you don't see karaoke, fuck, my glasses. All right, it took me a while. I'm recording, yeah. But you're fine. I was waiting until you finished to start again. No problem. No problem.
My little soda pop. Oh, make one flip the top, blah blah blah. You hit the spot, little different drop is pop pop. But something's getting hot, you sip and win. It's different now. It's I need to stick around to this part because it's mostly in Korean, but it's partially English too. This is all Korean.
All right.